Adding GIFs to Trello is a fun and creative way to enhance your board, cards, and comments. Here's how you can do it. Add GIFs to cards using attachments. Find a GIF. Go to a website like Giphy or Tenor to find the GIF you want to use. Copy the GIF URL. Once you find the GIF, right-click on it and select Copy Image Address or Copy Link. Add to Trello. Open the Trello card where you want to add the GIF. Click on Attachments in the card, then select Attach a Link. Paste the copied GIF URL and click Attach. The GIF will appear as a clickable link on the card, and when clicked, it will show the image. Add GIFs to comments. Use the GIF URL. In the comments section of any Trello card, paste the GIF URL directly. Trello will automatically display the GIF directly within the comment. Send comment. After pasting the link, hit Save or Send and the GIF will appear in the comment section. Use Trello power-ups. If you want to enhance the process, use a power-up like Giphy to search and insert GIFs directly from within Trello without leaving the board.